Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and today we're playing golf at Sierra Hills Golf Club, just southeast of the city of Wichita at about 127th Street East and Pawnee. This is going to be the first episode of Public Golf in Wichita inspired by a viewer. So there is a small driving range here. It's pretty much like a pasture, but I mean, it's a good place to get a start before you hit the course. So let's hit a few balls and get warmed up. Well, the golf cart's loaded, we're ready to go. We're waiting on two more. So I'm going to be playing with my good friend Skip today, who, of course, you may have seen me acknowledge and talk about in other videos, including the one at Rolling Hills. Also, good friend Tion, who looks like his arms are swollen, and Josh, or Mr. GQ. As soon as everybody's here, we'll get started. So we've arrived at the first tee box. One of the par fours we will see today, only 325 yards. And believe it or not, the group in front of us teed off and went about 50 yards, so it's going to be a little while. So now we have lost Tion and Josh between the clubhouse and the first tee, which means they're probably inside buying beer. Anyway, this course is in very, very nice condition. It's one of the best manicured public golf courses I've seen in the area in a very long time. The grass is well maintained. The greens are well maintained. Probably my only gripe is the tee boxes have a lot of damage, mainly because it's mostly par threes and everybody's hitting irons, so they take pretty good divots. But other than that, very pretty little golf course that you can play very quickly. And hopefully Cannon Arms over here doesn't try to drive a ball into somebody. Why not? Well, it's a bad idea.
I mean, it's only golf, right? You got to hit something.
All right, well, we're going to get started. I'll take a little bit of video as we play, and then we'll kind of give you a rundown of what we think of the first public golf course we're going to review, Sierra Hills. So we're all done. Sierra Hills here in southeast Wichita. Couple of takeaways. Number one, speed of play was very good today. We didn't mess around. We got right through 9 holes, had a lot of fun, so we got plenty of time to make it to our event this evening. Skip played extremely well, and Tion and I played bad, but not terrible, and Josh, well, played like Josh. But all in all, we had a good day. We had fun. The rough is absolutely brutal. It's a mixture of various different natural grasses, including rye, a couple of different fescues, and bluegrass. So you get down in that stuff and you get buried, and it can be really hard to get out of. Pace of play was good. The cart rental is very inexpensive. The green fees were inexpensive. They had hot dogs and Polish and beer and Gatorade and water, all the amenities you expect. And I'm going to run in the clubhouse real quick and buy a hat like this one in a different color, because I saw they had it, and they had it cheaper than anybody else in town. So we'll do this again at a different course pretty soon. Until then, I will see you on the next one, and have a great day.